Hi, my name is Alan Farrell. I'm from North Wales in the United Kingdom. I found myself in a position at 65 years of age needing a knee replacement. Obviously the waiting times on the NHS were just too long, so I started research having medical tourism abroad. Having done lots of research for different countries and different places, I found IndiCure, which basically is a company that coordinates everything in your journey to the appointments in the hospital with the surgeon, basically hotels, anything you need doing, they will do. So I decided to go with them, and they were true to the word. When we arrived in the airport, the car was there to pick us up, took us to the hospital. They have great facilities in hospitals here. They have a suite upstairs for you to stay in, private rooms. The total service was amazing. From the nurses, the food, the surgeon, the explanation of the routine, what was going to happen, everything was totally professional. And more so as well, there was absolutely fantastic value for money. I would absolutely recommend not only coming to India to have your surgical work done, but also you must make sure to use IndiCure, because they take all the stress and the strains out of the situation. They're there 24/7. If you've got questions, you just WhatsApp them, they come back with the answer. If you need a taxi, whatever you need, they will do for you. If you need currency exchange, anything you need at all, they will provide and sort that service out for you. The surgery itself went swimmingly. It's less invasive, so it's less pain, quicker recovery, and in total, the pain management in the hospital was amazing. I didn't really feel any pain at all after the surgery on the next 4 days before being discharged. The Dr. Grisham was amazing, to be fair, very confident. The way he spoke and the way he explained everything, and he explained every part of the procedure. They do CT scans first, they plan all the surgery. Basically, they do the surgery before they do the surgery, because they plan it all. They have models there, they have everything of your needs, where it should be to realign it, what size implants you need. Everything is done pre-op, so the actual operation itself is only about 1 hour, and it was great. Oh, India's been fantastic. We went to Delhi before we came to Mumbai for the operation, and we did all the tourist stuff up there, Taj Mahal and all that, and it was great. Mumbai's been fantastic as well. We went to the Taj Mahal's hotel yesterday for afternoon tea, and that was great. Yeah, in general, it's been no problems whatsoever. Now we've just been signed off by Dr. Grisham. Now we're off to Goa for 2 weeks for a bit of rest and recuperation. If I was looking again now to have something done, I would definitely recommend to anybody in the UK or anywhere, any part of the world really, to get in touch with IndiCure, and they will guide you through the process really and get you all the costings and everything you need to know. Thank you.